Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to run and upgrade application using Chef Habitat Supervisor. Running application with Chef Habitat Supervisor enables us to update runtime configurations and also roll out changes according to built-in update strategies. So two main responsibilities of the supervisor process, which is like a manager process, is to start and monitor those child services which are defined in the plan. That would be the actual applications which are running, and receive and act upon any of the updates which are coming. So if you're changing the applications, it would go ahead and update the application as soon as there is a trigger. So supervisor is sitting and supervising those application services, and it can supervise more than one application services as well and automatically update any running application with a newer version which is available. We can configure it to watch for any new stable version of the package in the public habitat builder, and we will use @once strategy, which is the updation strategy, to update our running applications to the latest stable version. So let's see how do we do this. We have this complete setup. We have built the package as well automatically from our trigger from the GitHub account, right? We saw the Docker image part of it in which you can run your application as a container. Here we are trying to see a different flavor. If I don't want to run it as a container, I want to run it on my node as monitored by the supervisor as a general application, not a containerized application. In that case, what we would do, we would first obviously do a Habitat Studio enter. And in that studio, we have the clean environment. I'll start my supervisor. Once the supervisor is running, I'll go ahead and download the package and install and run the stable version of the package over here. So I'm downloading and I'm executing, and the application is running the latest version at this point in time. Suppose I am pushing the latest changes. I'm again triggering a build from the Git, and new package is generated after the build is complete. I can again have a trigger because the supervisor is sitting and supervising the application build. So here it knows that the new build is uploaded, the package is uploaded. So it will take and it will deploy the latest version of the application, and it starts monitoring the latest version now. So this way you can update your application with the help of Chef Supervisor. So here we are in our Chef Habitat Builder instance, and this is the package. So we had built 1.1.1 of this package. So if you click on that, you would see an unstable version, which is 1.1.1. And if you see the latest stable on the right hand side, it is 1.1.0. So now if we download the package, it would download the latest stable version and it would execute the application with 1.1.0. So let's go back to our Chef workstation where we have configured our habitat and set up a Habitat Studio. So in case you have not cloned the Git repository, you can clone it and then go inside Chef Habitat Studio. So I'm saying Habitat Studio enter. I'm inside the Habitat Studio. Let me start the supervisor. Either you already have the supervisor running. In case it is not running, you can start with supervisor-run and it would start the supervisor. Let's see what all services are running at this point in time. There are no services loaded. That means supervisor is running, but no services are being monitored by the supervisor. Let me load one of the services, which is our sample node app service. So with this, what would happen? It will pick stable build package and start the application. So here I'm giving -- strategy as @-once. With this, what would happen? It will start monitoring the stable versions which gets updated in our Chef Habitat Builder. So now it says it has successfully loaded. Let's see. Yes, it is running. And if you say the desired state is up, but the state at present looks down. So let's see the status once again. And it took some time and the application is up and running now. Let's go and check If the application is really running, we can log into the web page of this particular server and verify. So let me pick the IP address of Chef Workstation. And it is listening on port number 8000. So let me give that. Yes, it is running 1.1.0 version of the Node.js sample application. So my application is been running and supervisor is actually sitting and monitoring or supervising it. So let's update 1.1.1 as stable version now. So either you can do it from the command line or you can do it over here itself. I'm saying promote it to stable version. So if you see, it is updated to the stable version and here it says 1.1 is the latest stable. Let's go back to our Chef Workstation and check the status. You would see that immediately the changes are reflected on our application which is running is already updated, and this has happened in fraction of seconds. Let's go back and refresh our web page. You would see 1.1.1 version of the application is already serving. So this way you can automatically upgrade your application if you are using supervisor to monitor. And whenever you want to build the latest version, either you trigger from here, make it stable and trigger the latest version to be updated by the supervisor. So supervisor is helping us to run the service plus to update the service whenever there is a stable version release. So in the next video, we will learn to work with multi-tier applications using Chef Habitat. See you then.